welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys is the number 108. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Well guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 108. And down below we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here guys, it talks about the second home of Sarah Roth. Which you can see a bit of a picture of there. Because during the Victorian age, it was considered fashionable or trendy to build miniatures of your house. Here we have all of the rooms of the house laid out there. And then down in this part, and as well as on the other page, it lists what each of the rooms were for and like some of the items which you can see in the rooms here. It's really nice. I really like the bedroom, which is here with the big canopy princess-like bed. You guys tell me, which room do you like the most? Tell me down in the comments below. And well, let's turn the page. And then we have this just beautiful piece of furniture with this really just lovely painting with angels on it. You guys tell me what you guys think. I think it's beautiful. And then over here, it shows you how to prepare the cardboard pieces which we got. It shows you here how to prepare them. But well, like I always say with this guys, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, because soon guys we're going to be building the dollhouse once we have the entire collection. And you won't want to miss that guys, because I'm going to be building the dollhouse with you step by step. And I honestly cannot wait. And then here it talks about linen press. So basically how they would do old-fashioned ironing, you could say. And then here it goes into the history of the Bloody Sunday of 1887. That's one of the cool things with this collection, is that it not only shows you how to build the dollhouse and other dollhouses, but it also talks about the historical context as well, which is pretty awesome. And well, let's see. Here's the back. Here is the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now guys, it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well guys, here we have our new bricks for the dollhouse for the front and sides. Let me just flip this over. The only thing that I would mention is that to be very, very careful with these, because they come out quite easily and you won't want to miss or lose any of these bricks, because you're going to need them all for the dollhouse. So make sure to be careful with that. And of course guys, these bricks are not going to look like this when we finish with them. They're going to look quite nice. And well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? You guys tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying it around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And make sure to go on over and of course subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. But well, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.